ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ. ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Hello listeners, this is your KL Rao and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defense, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, and Media for Community Foundation implemented by Nightingale Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha, Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly. Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj ruled Kolhapur in Maharashtra from 1894 to 1922 for a period of 28 years. He introduced many reforms for the benefit of common man. It helped all-round development of the public during his tenure. He bagged many honors and awards, especially from the British. He introduced reforms for improving the living conditions of backward communities. He encouraged education in general with special reference to girls. He ensured suitable employment to the educated. He started Shahu Chhatrapati Weaving and Spinning Mills in 1906 to provide employment. Rajaram College was built by Shahuji Maharaj and later was renamed after him. His emphasis was on education, his aim being to make education available to the masses. He established hostels to the students belonging to different communities and religions. Shahu Maharaj introduced several scholarships to meritorious students from poor and backward communities. He initiated compulsory free primary education for all in his state. He encouraged Sanskrit education and enabled students from all castes and communities to study the scriptures by establishing Vedic schools. He did not give any special status to Brahmins. When Brahmins refused to perform religious rites for non-Brahmins, he removed Brahmins from the post of royal religious advisors. Non-Brahmins were invited to participate in politics. Shahuji was influenced by the works of Jyotibai Phule and long patronized the Satya Shodhak Samaj founded by Phule. During May 1903, he received the honorary degree LLD from the University of Cambridge. Shahuji tried to abolish the concept of caste segregation and untouchability. He officially ordered his subjects to treat every member of society as equal and granted the untouchable equal access to public utilities like wells and ponds, as well as establishments like schools and hospitals. He encouraged intercaste marriages by making law. He, he improved the status of Dalits to a considerable extent. He also worked towards betterment of the condition of women in his empire. He established schools to educate women. He legalized widow remarriages in 1917 and made efforts towards stopping child marriages. In 1920, Shahuji introduced a law banning the Devadasi system. He founded special training centers to train to the village heads or patils to make them better administrators. He avoided middlemen by establishing dedicated marketplaces and cooperative societies for farmers. He made arrangements for financing farmers for buying modern agricultural equipments. He established the King Edward Agricultural Institute to instruct farmers for better harvesting techniques. He initiated Radhanagari Dam in 1907. The project was completed in 1935 and thereby Kolhapur has become self-sufficient in water. He encouraged music and fine arts. He supported writers and researchers. He installed gymnasiums and wrestling centers and highlighted the importance of health for youth. His progressive thoughts and good governance earned him a title of Rajarshi from warrior community of Kanpur. It is rare to come across such a progressive thinking Raja in the history. Na bhuto, na bhavishyati. We never heard of such a great king earlier, nor we will see in future.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful talk. Listeners, I hope you too have listened to the program. Stay tuned to Hiriravani for more such interesting programs. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 am to 8 pm for any question, queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.